Hi everybody. In this video, you're going to learn how to find the derivative as a function. And you'll just need to take these notes on notebook paper. But in the previous section, we computed the derivative f prime of a for specific values of a. So sometimes it's useful to view the derivative as a function. So that means we're just going to find f prime of x. Okay, so that way we could take any value of a when x equals a and just plug it in to that function, f prime of x, and that would give us the derivative or the slope at that point. Okay? All right, so f prime of x is still defined as a limit. So hopefully this looks familiar. But the fixed number a is just replaced by the variable x. Okay, so we get this definition of the derivative, f prime of x equals the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. So again, you're just replacing a with x. All right, let's look at an example. We want to compute f prime of x using the limit definition. F of x is equal to x squared minus 3x. Okay, so this is going to become the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h. So that means I'm going to substitute x plus h in for x. So we'll have x plus h squared minus 3 times x plus h. Okay, minus f of x minus x squared minus 3x. And it's a good idea to put f of x in parentheses because you're going to have to distribute that negative. So that's a good reminder to do that. All over h. Okay, so now we just have to do all this algebra. All right, so x plus h squared. Remember, we're going to FOIL that. So we get the limit as h approaches 0 of x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And that just came from FOILing the x plus h. Okay, I can show you that off to the side here. X plus h times itself. X times x is x squared. X times h is xh. H times x is xh. H times h is h squared. And then you can combine your middle terms to get 2xh plus h squared. Okay. So then I'm just going to distribute my negative 3 here. So that'll become minus 3x minus 3h. And then I'm just going to distribute my negative. So this will become minus x squared plus 3x. And again, remember, right now, that's all over h. Okay, let's see what we can simplify in the numerator. Things should start simplifying. Like I noticed, we have a positive x squared and a negative x squared. Let's see, we have a negative 3x and a positive 3x. All right, that looks like all it cancels, so that leaves us with the limit as h approaches 0 of 2xh plus h squared minus 3h all over h. And now we can divide each term by h, and we get the limit as h approaches 0 of 2x plus h minus 3. And then we can use direct substitution to evaluate the limit. So this now becomes 2x plus 0 minus 3, which then becomes 2x minus 3. All right, so this is f prime of x. Okay? This is the derivative of this function. Okay? So then, again, this is helpful because if we know f prime of x, if we're given any value of a, where x equals a, we can just plug it into that function. So now that I have the derivative of that function, I can find the slope at any point by just plugging in for x. Okay, so it is very helpful. All right, today is a pretty short video. We will practice this some more in class tomorrow, and I will see you then. Have a good night.